children. So the objectives of next chapter now. It's chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. Correct? Now first is the definition of arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? It's a progression. It's a sequence. It's a series in which the difference between any two successive number is constant. Constant, same. It can be 0, it can be negative, it can be positive. That difference can be 0, negative or positive. But it has to be constant. I'm not writing the definition. What is definition? You might be asked, define arithmetic progression. So you may say a progression in which the difference between any two successive terms or numbers is constant. It's called arithmetic progression. Be careful. The next, yes, how do you represent arithmetic progression? उसके टर्म्स आप किस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं? जनरल फॉर्म, जनरल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, जनरल प्रेजेंटेशन या रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एपी. अरे द फर्स्ट टर्म इज, द सेकंड टर्म इज, थर्ड टर्म इज, फोर्थ टर्म इज, ऑलराइट, एंड सो ऑन. This is your arithmetic progression, right? But on special occasions, these terms have to be represented differently, especially while solving objective questions. Say suppose you are given only 3 terms of AP. So you can easily say this is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term. But that will make your calculations tough and sometimes very tough. And you will not reach your goal. So, only 3 terms if it is mentioned, then you say the middle term is A, the next term is A plus D, and the prior term is A minus D. So, these are the first 3 terms of AP. When finite AP is given, number of terms are only 3. Number of terms are only 3. Then you can say first term is A minus D, A and A plus D. Similarly, if 5 terms are there, if 5 terms are there, once again in the middle you can say A. A plus D. Before that, next, next, these are the 5 terms. So like that, odd number of terms, 3, 5, 7. 3 और 5 हो सकते हैं, उसके आगे ज्यादा तो नहीं देंगे. 7 terms. Okay. Similarly, if you have even number of terms, even number of terms 4 terms से शुरू होगा. Be careful. 2 terms नहीं, 4 terms से शुरू होगा. 2 terms तो यही कह देंगे. चलिए. यहाँ odd number of terms हो तो बीच में exactly एक term आती है. उसके आगे एक टर्म, उसके पहले एक टर्म. 5 टर्म हो तो ये मिडल टर्म के बाद में 2 टर्म, मिडल टर्म के. सो इक्वल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स ऑन आइदर साइड ऑफ द मिडल टर्म. अब 4 टर्म्स हो तो मिडल टर्म हो ही नहीं सकती, तो वहां 2 मिडल टर्म होते हैं. देयर आर उसमें A प्लस D और A माइनस D. A है ही नहीं, ये A है ही नहीं. A plus D and A. If you look at the difference, A plus D minus, I'll change the sign, A plus D. So what is the common difference? D. So इसमें 2D add करो, next term A plus D plus 2D, D. A minus D minus 2D. So यहाँ D, 3D, 5D, 7D ऐसा चलेगा. Are you getting me? These are 4 terms of AP. Okay? 6 terms, even number of terms. Even number of terms. बोलिए, the mean terms, middle terms, A minus D, A plus D. 2 ही हुए. A plus D, A minus D, A plus D, A minus D. This type of trick you use or representation you use only in the objective questions. Is that clear? तो ये एक चीज आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. All right? Yes. You know the common difference of any arithmetic progression. All right? Is 0, negative or positive. Now, very few formula are there. Sharma ji, very few formula are there in AP. The first one is common difference D. The first one is common difference D. There are two formula for common difference. Common difference D. Bolo, nth term minus the term before n. That is an minus 1. और दूसरी फॉर्मूला D is equal to mth term which is in higher order minus nth term m greater than n upon m minus n. One objective question should be there on the basis of this. All right. So we have two formula to find common difference D. Now nth term. The formula to find first formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Be careful. All right. And the second formula an in terms of Sn. An, then it is Sn minus Sn minus 1. इसके हिसाब से आप बता सकते हैं AP plus 1 in terms of Sn. SP plus 1 minus SP plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will go. So this is the formula. कुछ ट्रू और फॉल्स में ऐसा कुछ आया कुछ डिफरेंट फॉर्म में तो you should realize, you should understand. So these are the two formula to find nth term. And there are two formula to find sum of terms. Sum of terms. First, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And the second formula, n by 2 into a plus n. This you can use when you know number of terms, when you know first term, and when you know last term. Especially for finite APs. For finite APs. इसके लिए आप second formula use कर सकते. Is that clear? Yes. All right. इस फॉर्मूला के बाद there are 3 more formula. याद रखना, बराबर ध्यान में रखना. All right. वो क्या है? मैंने शायद आपको एक ट्रिक बताई थी इनो. वही चीज नो. E for even natural numbers. Even and for simply natural numbers. And O for odd natural numbers. If you want to see, these are even natural numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Odd natural numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd natural numbers. इसके लिए फॉर्मूला है sum of n natural numbers which are all even. Sum of n even natural numbers. N into n plus 1. याद रखना. Sum of even natural numbers is n into n plus 1. Sum of all natural numbers. यही चीज divide by 2. n into n plus 1 divided by 2. And sum of odd natural numbers Sn is equal to n square. Okay? We'll use this formula also while solving the questions. Is that clear? Sure? 100%? So here we go now. We are going to solve 20 objective questions based on that. ठीक है, read loudly, huh? Are you all ready? Yes. Kritika, start.
What is 18th term of an AP whose nth term is defined as an equals to n into n minus 3 upon n plus 4?
What is 18th term? Yes, शिवांश 18th term सिंबल बताइए मुझे 18th term का. मैंने लिख दिया a. This is what we are supposed to find. ऐसे तो फॉर्मूला बनती है a प्लस 17 a और d तब मिलेगा जब आपको AP दिया होगा. But here AP is not given. General form of term is given. What is that general form? an equal to n into
n minus 3
n minus 3
upon n plus 4.
ये चिल्ड्रन, ये a है, यहाँ a और d है ही नहीं. वही तो जनरल फॉर्म है उसका. जनरल फॉर्म. अरे बाबा a 18 चाहिए. Wherever you find n, put 18. That's it. Okay. So a 18. A 18 is equal to 18 into 18 minus 3 upon 18 plus 4. 18 multiplied by 15 upon 22. 2 11s are 2 9s. You can't cancel anymore. 90 or 45, 135 upon 11. But the 18th term is 135 upon, which is a rational number. Yes, start the next.
What is common difference of an AP whose nth term equals to 6n plus 2?
What is the common difference? Common difference D. This is what we are going to find. We have got two formula, an minus 1 and am minus an whole upon m minus. Okay. What is given? Again the general term. General formula for a term. Bolo a
n
is equal to
6n plus 2.
6n plus 2. You know this. D is a2 minus a1 or D is a7 minus a6 or D is a1001 minus a1000. Difference between any two successive terms. अरे भाई आसान तो यही है. अरे I'll find a2 first. n की जगह पे 2 लिख दो. So a2 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 2. That is 12 and 14. a1 that is 6 into 1 plus 2. That is 8. So you got, what is a2? 14 minus, what is a1? 8. And what is 14 minus 8? So what is the common difference? 8. Got it? Yes. Next.
If the first term of an AP is minus 7 and
First term is minus 7.
and D equals to 5,
Common difference is 5.
then find the 18th term.
Is 5. 18th term. A18 is equal to A plus 17D. Arey baba, A is given. What is A?
Minus 7.
Minus 7. Plus common difference D is also given.
5.
So minus 7 plus 50 or 35, 85. So that is 78 and plus 78. So the 18th term in this case, in this situation, is going to be 78. Yes, next.
If A30 minus A20 equals to minus 50,
A30 minus A20 is equal to minus 50.
then D equals to.
Common difference D is equal to. Children, see what I'm doing. I'm writing D is equal to. इसको use कर लेता हूँ. A30 minus A20 upon 30 minus 20. Use your sense. A30 minus A20 upon 30 minus 20 is D. यही D ढूंढना है. That is equal to direct value, that is minus 50, or 30 minus 20 is 10. So that gives you minus 5. Minus 5. इसको याद रखने का अलग तरीका भी है. A30 minus A20 is 30 minus 20, 10D. A15 minus A11 is 15 minus 11 4d. अरे बाबा am minus an upon m minus n is equal to d ना, d is equal to, इसको वहां ले चलो, m minus n d होगा कि नहीं? am minus an is equal to m minus n into d, वही चीज। ऐसा करना है तो ऐसा चलो रोहित नेक्स्ट।
If 2x, x plus 10, 3x plus 2 are in AP, then find x.
A definite question, and I have taken a number of questions. At least 5 such questions are there. I want to in both the papers. For basic it will be slightly easier, and for standard it will be tougher. Yes, beta, only 3 terms are given, and they are in AP. Bolo.
2x, x plus 10, 3x plus 2.
3x plus 2. See what I am writing. This is A1, this is A2, and this is A3. The 3 terms are in
AP.
Find the value of x. आपको क्या करना है? A2 minus A1 क्या है? D. Very good. A3 minus A2 क्या है? D. अरे दोनों D हो तो दे आर इक्वल। बस ये इक्वेशन जो आपने बनाया उसमें वैल्यूज डाल दो। A2 x plus 10 be careful minus A1 सिंगल टर्म है तो नो ब्रैकेट इज इक्वल टू A3 3x plus 2 minus A2 बाइनोमियल है ब्रैकेट में डालो x plus 10. This is equation in terms of x, and it's going to fetch you the value of x. X minus 2x is minus x plus 10. 3x plus 2 minus x
Minus 10.
Yes, signs will change, minus 10. This gives me 2x or minus 8. This is minus x plus 10. 2x plus x 10 plus 8. So 18 is equal to 3x, and that gives me x is equal to 6. Okay, is that clear? I may be very fast, but then basics आपको समझना है, बाकी कैलकुलेशन खुद को करना है। चलिए नेक्स्ट वन।
If 8x plus 4, 6x minus 2, 2x plus 7 are in AP, then find x.
ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन बोलिए।
8x plus 4, 6x minus 2, 2x plus 7.
This time all the 3 terms are binomials, right? A1, A2, A3. बोलो A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. A2 6x minus 2. अब थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस हुई तो केयरफुली माइनस A1 दोनों की साइन चेंज माइनस 8x माइनस 1 मार्क का है तो आपको ये स्किल डेवलप करनी होगी। A3 that is 2x plus 7 minus A2 ये वाला साइन विल चेंज minus 6x
Plus 2.
करेक्ट। अब थोड़ा वक्त कम हो गया, ये minus 6 ये minus 4x ये plus 9, इसको ये बात ले चलो plus 4x minus 2x plus 9 plus 6, so 2x is equal to 15, so x is 15 by 2 and that is 7.5. Is that clear? Yes. Next.
If x plus 1, 3x, 4x plus 2 are in AP, then find x.
X plus 1.
3x.
Yes.
4x plus 2.
They are in AP. A1, A2, A3. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. चलिए next. याद करना है.
Which term of AP?
Okay. Now it's आगे चल के एक है क्वेश्चन देख लो होगा।
Yes.
हाँ बोलो वो।
If 1 upon x plus 2.
हाँ ये कैलकुलेशन जरूरी है। 1 upon x plus 2.
1 upon x plus 3.
Yes.
1 upon x plus 5.
Right.
Are in AP then.
R in AP then find the value of पूरा फ्रैक्शन से डीलिंग करना है। आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना फ्रैक्शन? So here अब मैं और डायरेक्ट करूंगा, 1 मार्क का है ना। 1 upon x plus 3 minus 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to A3 1 upon x plus 5 minus 1 upon बस एलसीएम इज x प्लस 3 इंटू एक्स प्लस 2 और यहां का एलसीएम x प्लस 5 इंटू एक्स प्लस 3। ओके, x प्लस ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट में से x प्लस 3 है, सो x प्लस 2 इज मिसिंग, x plus 2 है, so x plus 3 is missing. Be careful now. Be careful now. I'm going to do the work directly. X plus 2 ones are x plus 3 ones are x plus 3, लेकिन आगे माइनस, so plus x minus x और plus 3 भाई બે સ્ટેપ વધારે કરશો ને તો વાંધો નહીં. If you do 2 extra steps, it would be fine, but don't make mistake. चलो, here x plus 3 is missing and here x plus 5. x plus 3 ones are x plus 3, x plus 5 ones are x plus 5, लेकिन माइनस की वजह से माइनस x माइनस. ये अच्छी बात है, x गया. इन चिल्ड्रन डिनोमिनेटर में प्रोडक्ट ही है, कोई कॉमन है क्या डिनोमिनेटर में? x plus 3 कैंसिल, बहुत अच्छा काम हो गया. 2 minus 3 minus 1 upon x plus is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 2 upon x plus 5. ये माइनस माइनस प्लस और क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, so x plus 5 is equal to 2 times x plus 2, so that is 2x plus 4, that is x plus 5, so that is x equal to plus 5 minus 4 will be 1 and 2x minus x, so x is equal to 1 in this case. Clear? Understood? चलिए next.
For what value of p are
For what value of
p
p? Okay, p
are 2p plus 1, 13, 5p minus 3 in 8.
मैं बोला था ये नेक्स्ट भी है ना, तो आप बोला नहीं. ये भी तो वही है, ओनली x is turned into p. p से t, वो ट्विस्ट आएगा. बोलो p
2p plus 1.
2p plus 1
हाँ, 13.
13
15, अरे सॉरी 5p minus 3.
5p minus 3. अरे वही a1 a2 a3, these are in AP. So 13 minus, साइन चेंज कर दो, minus 2p minus 1 is equal to a3 5p minus 3
minus 13.
फिर मैं सिंप्लीफाई नहीं करूंगा, आप कर सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
Which term of AP 114, 109, 104 is first negative term?
This is interesting. Which term of AP? Yes, the AP is given. What is AP?
114,
All right.
109,
109,
104
4.
are in AP.
You can see it is in decreasing order. The numbers are in decreasing order. So that means somewhere negative number will come. Acha, what is it? A here first term and common difference negative होना चाहिए. Minus. अब कोई term है, we don't know which term. I'm going to call it kth term. Let kth term be the first negative term, i.e. symbolically a के kth term and negative means less than 0. A formula under a plus a minus 1 into d, that is less than 0. So a की वैल्यू 114, d की वैल्यू नेगेटिव है, so minus 5 into k minus 1 is less than 0. All right. 114 minus 5k plus 5 is less than 0. All right. So 119 is less than 5k. Minus 5k on other side becomes plus 5k. Okay. So 119 upon 5 is less than k. So k is greater than, उल्टा लिखो तो k is greater than 119 upon 5. 119 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 4. So k is greater than 23 integer 4 upon 5. Children, term कुछ ऐसी आती नहीं है. और greater than 23 integer 4 upon, जरा समझिए. Which term will be first negative term. ये तो टर्म तो किया है, किया था, greater than 23 integer 4/5. अब समझना है नंबर लाइन से. दिस इज नंबर लाइन. ऑलराइट. वो कौन सा इंटीजर है? कौन सा इंटीजर है? 23. तो उसको इक्वल करो. सो दिस इज 23, उसके पहले 22, उसके पहले 21, उसके बाद 24, 25, 26. अच्छा, इफ आई प्लॉट दिस रेशनल नंबर 23 इंटीजर 4/5, कौन से दो नंबर के बीच होगा?
23
सब में यहाँ 23 और 24 के बीच 23 इंटीजर 4/5 क्या है? और उससे ग्रेटर नंबर्स कौन से? 24, 20 इंटीग्रल वैल्यूज 24, 25, 26. टर्म नंबर 24 will be negative. Term number 25 will be negative. Term number 26 will be negative. After that, all terms are going to be negative. क्योंकि ऐसी तो कोई टर्म नंबर नहीं आने वाली है 23 into 4/5. So term number 24 would be the first negative. So यहाँ से समझना होगा, यहाँ से आंसर लिखना होगा. Which integer is greater than 23 integer? So all these integers. But which is the least one? 24. And that is your first term. So 24 term is the first term which is negative for this A. Yes, next.
Write the ninth term from the end of AP 357 up to 201.
Yeah, if it is of 1 mark, आराम से बोलो. 80 क्या है?
357.
357.
Last term is 201.
ओके, AP डैश कर ही लो, लेकिन पीछे से 9th टर्म चाहिए. सो रिवर्स ऑर्डर 201 डॉट 7 5 and 3. यह A is 3 और D is 2. यह A is 2, A dash is 201 and D dash नेगेटिव होगा -2. You understand? All right. 9th टर्म यहां से पीछे से is actually 9th टर्म यहां से आगे से. So what I want is A dash 9. What I want is A dash 9. 1 mark का है तो. So that is A dash plus 8 D dash. A dash is 201 plus 8 into D dash is -2. So 201 minus 16. 11 minus 6 is 5. Or 19 minus 1 is 18. Is it 185? Sure? 201. मेरा भी कॉन्फिडेंस गया है अभी. 15, 8 और 185. Alright? Next.
Write the sum of n odd natural numbers.
अभी मैंने बोला इनो. Write the sum of n odd natural numbers. इनो. यहां आता है n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1/2 और ये n square आया. बोलो odd last one. So Sn is equal to n square. This is the sum of n odd natural numbers. चलिए next.
If 4 numbers of AP are such that their sum is 50 and the greatest number is 4 times the least, then the numbers are
4 numbers are in AP. 4 numbers, even number. बीच वाला वो A minus D और A plus D. उसके बाद A plus 3D और A plus
A minus 3D.
Yes, this is A1, A2, A3 और A4. ये लेना है. The sum of all these 4 terms is
50.
50. So ये term number 1 A minus 3D प्लस ही करना है, सो ब्रैकेट की जरूरत नहीं है. A minus D plus the next term A plus D plus the next term A plus 3D. The total of all these 4 terms is
50.
The good thing about this is what? Minus D plus D plus 3D minus 3. 4A is equal to 50. So A is 25/2. Reduce कर दिया मैंने. A is 25 by 2. 50/4 फिर कैंसिल करें. Right? Okay. क्या And one more condition. What is that?
And the greatest number.
Of course, the greatest number is A4. Yes, is how much?
Is 4 times.
Is equal to 4 times.
The least.
The least number is A1. बोलिए, what is A4? A plus 3D is equal to 4 times A1, A minus 3D. After having the value of A, put the value. A is what? 25 upon 2 plus 3D is equal to 4 into A is what? 25 upon 2 minus 3D. चलिए, इससे D की वैल्यू मिलेगी, मिलेगी कि नहीं? So बोलो 25 upon 2 plus 3D is equal to, इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया, 2 ones are 2s are, so you will get 50 minus 12D. 12D के बाद लाओ, so 15 में D हो जाएगा, और ये 50 minus 25 by 2, so 75 by 2, that is 15D. 15 ones are 15 5s are, so D you got is 5 by
2.
A is 25 by 2. ढूंढना क्या है?
Find the numbers.
Find the
Numbers of 84 numbers.
Okay. What is A? 25 by 2 minus 3 into what is D? 5 by 2. So this is 25 by 2 minus 15 by 2. That is whole upon 2. 25 minus 15, n by 2, and that is 5. So your first term is 5. Put the values. उसमें A by D by sorry D add करते जाओ, not D. Put the values A and D की value, क्योंकि यहाँ वो पहला फॉर्म नहीं है. Put A D values in all and get that. इसकी वैल्यू A और D की डालने के बाद what I got? 5. फिर नेक्स्ट वैल्यू A और D की डालने के बाद जो भी मिले भाई लिख के देते हैं. What is it? 25 by 2 minus D 5 by 2. That is whole upon 2. 25 minus, so that is 10. So ये मिला हमें 10. Alright, फिर 25 by 2 plus 5 by 2 whole upon 2 30, and that is 15. अभी तो वैसे भी पता चलेगा 20 आएगा, है ना? 5, 10, 15 और फिर 20. और नेक्स्ट कौन सो रहा है? हृदय, ध्यान दे. चल नेक्स्ट.
If the sum of first n even numbers is equal to k times the sum of first n odd natural numbers, then k equals to.
I didn't hear you because I was trying to hear the others who were talking.
If the sum of first n even numbers is equal to k times the sum of first n odd natural numbers.
See how I'm writing. The sum of n even natural numbers is equal to k times the sum of n odd natural numbers. सही है ना?
Yes sir.
अब ये फॉर्मूला पता है, इनो, है ना? इवन मतलब ये, so n into n plus 1 आएगा is equal to k into odd मतलब ये
n square.
Right? Then find the value of k. So n square plus n is equal to I'll have to write here n into n plus 1 upon n square. That's it, because it is multiplied. So if you want to separate n square from k, take n square on the other side. A can cancel. So this is the value of k. N plus 1 by n plus 1 by n. The value of k is clear? Next.
If the first, second and last term of an AP are A, B and 2A respectively, its sum is?
The sum of the terms of A. Terms are finite. What is the first term? A1. Second term?
B.
A2. And the last term?
2A.
That doesn't mean the third term.
Last.
ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है. A and last term is how much?
2A.
2A. First term A, second term
B.
and last term. Last term बताया, not third term. We don't know. And what you have to find? Sum of all the terms.
Yes.
You have to find sum of all these terms. Sn is equal to how much? Okay. क्या करें? You know first term and last term ने? Okay. First term is A. Common difference is B minus A. A2 minus A1. 2 आवश्यक है. All right. And Sn कौन सी फॉर्मूला यूज करें? नहीं, लेकिन I don't have the number of terms. Number of terms n पर n कितने? Okay, I'll do one thing. First, I'll find out that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. If you want to use second formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is an? 2a. So I'm writing it is equal to a. The first term a ही है और d n minus 1 into what is d?
B minus A.
Interesting. यहाँ से n ढूंढो. So 2a minus a is equal to n minus 1 into b minus a. So that is a upon b minus a is equal to n minus 1. Therefore n is equal to a upon b minus a plus 1 upon 1 कर दो. So LCM is b minus a. यहाँ 1, यहाँ b minus a. 1 into a plus b minus a 1 is b minus a. This cancel. So what is the number of terms? B upon
B minus A.
That is number of terms. That is number of terms. Now if you want, you can use the second formula. Mihir, यहाँ ध्यान दो. Sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Please, what is n? b upon b minus a. और डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है. फर्स्ट टर्म वो a और लास्ट टर्म so that is equal to b upon b minus a into 2 multiplied by 3. कुछ कैंसल हो सकता है? नहीं. So that is 3ab upon 2 times b minus a. This is the sum of all n terms. कितना बाकी है? Okay, the next one.
The sum of 20 odd natural numbers.
Sum of 20 odd natural numbers. इनो फिर से याद करेंगे. ये वाला. So, sorry, odd. Sn is equal to n square. Yes, the sum of
20 odd natural.
अरे बाबा, number of terms 20 कह दी तू. 20, number of terms 20, so that is 20 square, and that is 400. सीधा मिल गया. The sum of
20 odd natural numbers.
okay, that will be 400. लेकिन उसके लिए फॉर्मूला ये तो गणा શું કરે છે આવી રીતે કરે છે 1 3 5 20 સુધી ગણી કાઢે પછી સમ શોધે એ ऐसा नहीं. So it takes a long time. चलिए next.
The next term of AP, root 7,
root 7,
root 28,
root 28,
root 63.
root 63 is that. Next term, ये fourth term कौन सा होगा? Okay, चलिए. This is composite number. तो कुछ simplification होगा root से. 2 14 जा 2 7 जा 7 1 जा. So that's it. Okay. So first one is root 7. Second is 2 root 7. ये 63 3 21 जा 3 7 जा 7 1 जा.
3 root 7.
3 root 7. So obviously next term is going to be
4 root 7.
4 root 7 है ना. लेकिन यहाँ ऑप्शंस दिया है और ऑप्शंस में 4 root 7 है ही नहीं. बोलो बेटा.
Root 70,
70
root 84,
84
root 97,
97
root 112.
112.
12.
चिल्ड्रन, रूट 7 ये 4 बाहर है ना, उसको अंदर ले जाओ. सो 4 स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 16. 42 4 and 11. So that is root 11 and the answer is 15. Be careful. Okay, चलिए next.
If 18th and 11th terms of an AP are in the ratio 3:2, then its 21st and 5th terms are in ratio.
Right. 18th term and which other term?
11th term.
18th term is 18 is to 11 term is A11. That is what ratio?
3:2.
3:2. And what you are supposed to find? The
Then it's
ratio of
21st
term and
5th term.
ओके एनीवे पहले इसको a प्लस 17d, ठीक है, ये a प्लस 17d अपॉन ये a प्लस
10d
दैट इज इक्वल टू 3 अपॉन
2.
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. सो 2 टाइम्स a प्लस 17d इज इक्वल टू 3 टाइम्स a प्लस 10d. So 2a plus 34d is 3a plus 30d. So that gives me 8 और ये 4d. Okay. So a is equal to 4d. ठीक है. a is equal to 4d. ये एक वैल्यू आया. उसके आगे हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. अब जो मुझे ढूंढना है a21 upon a
5.
that is again a plus 20d. कुछ बच्चे को नींद आ रही है नायक. ए नायक के गांधी है. चलो a प्लस 4d बस a की वैल्यू डाल दूंगा. व्हाट इज it?
4d.
सो 4d प्लस 20d और 4d प्लस 4d 24d और 8d. ये भी कैंसल. 8 1 जा 8 3 जा. रेशियो बोला गया तो 3:1. सो द रेशियो इज गोइंग टू बी 3:1. चलिए नेक्स्ट.
2 APs have same common difference.
This is very interesting. ये क्वेश्चन टेक्स्ट बुक में है ना. 2 APs have same common
Difference.
if the difference between their 100th term is 100, then what is the difference between their 8th term? 100. Difference between their 1000th term? 100. Difference between their millionth term? 100. And difference between 100th term क्या difference between second term क्या difference between 5th term ये खबर हो मुझे. Okay. Read from the beginning.
2 APs have
So I'll call one AP and other AP.
Yes.
2 APs
have same common difference.
Yeah. मतलब D is equal to D dash. इसका common difference D और इसका D dash. D is equal to D dash.
If first term of one of these is 8
ये first term का 8.
and that of other is 3,
3.
the difference between their 30th term is
30.
30.
A 30 minus A dash 30 would be how? अरे बाबा ये A1 है और ये A1 dash. बोलो A minus A1 minus A1 dash. 8 minus 3 and that is 5. What is the difference between their first term? 5. So what is the difference between their 100th term? 5. What is the difference between their 30th term? 5. Between their 30th term is also going to be 5. Is that clear? Yes. Next.
If 18 A, B minus 3 are in AP, then A plus B equals
Okay, this is something different. बोलो
18
18
A,
A
B
B
minus 3
minus 3
are in AP, then
Yes.
A plus B equals.
then A plus B is equal to ये अपना बॉक्स वाला टेक्स्ट बुक का वो करना हो. हाँ यहाँ दो वेरिएबल है ना तो वो नहीं करना. दिस माइनस दिस इक्वल टू दिस ये भी इतना है. बोलो यू गॉट A1 A2 A3 A4. You have A4 and A5. So common difference D is A4 minus A1 upon 4 minus 1. What is A4? Minus 3 minus 18 upon 3. So minus 21 upon 3. So what is common difference? Minus 7. So please ये 18 plus D the next term. ये term 18 है ना उसमें ऐड करो D. So 18 minus 7. So this is 11. 11 plus D will be the next term. So 11 minus 7 that is 4. So this is 4. If you want A plus B that is 11 plus 4 and that is
15.
Is that clear? Understood? Next.
Done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
So, fine. That's all. We have concluded chapter number 5 as well. So far we have done objectives of first 5 chapters. Fine.